Alright, update on the chickens and turkeys. There's only 6 turkeys now, some of them died. We got 4 new chickens, we got some black Sussexes, and 2 Buff Orpington chicks. They have a brand new brooder we just built yesterday. And here's the chicks now. It was warm enough here to let them outside. This is the first time being outside. And yeah, the Barred Rocks and the black Sussex, they're the same age, they're just smaller than the Rhode Island Reds. See? And then there's our 2. There's Barred Rock, there's the Rhode Island Red. The other one's on the other side, that black Sussex. 6 turkeys, 2 more died. So I'm left with 6 now, and we got 6 chickens. But that's what's going on today. It's warm. We tilled all this up because we're going to plant grass, sod. And then we still got a little bit of grass and stuff left to let them peck on and stuff. I'm going to try to make this a 5-minute video. Can you watch him? Come here, little guy. Yep. Alright. Time to go inside the garage. Show you the new brooder. Alright. The new brooder. It's 8 by 4 and 2 feet deep. Lamp. And we have a tarp on here, so it's just easier to clean. It's got little screws holding them, like down there. This is a new brooder. As you can tell, new brooder. I'm starting a new project today. Hold on a second. Hey, Brayley, move away from the window. Move away from the window, so I can do my video. Alright. And starting something new today. Rototiller. Lawnmower and stuff. I'm starting a duckweed farm. My duckweed. I think this is duckweed. If it's not, you guys should tell me. I think it is. But it's like really small. I got it out of a stream over here. There's the birds outside, but duckweed. See, it's got single roots like duckweed, but I'm not for sure if it is duckweed. But yeah, the new brooder. It's supposed to blizzard sometime this week, so we have these bars from like a baby crib, and we have these blankets that we lay over them. We're not to touch the heat lamp, so there's like this much of a gap. Feed. They've been eating a lot of feed lately. They got plenty of place to run around now. Their old brooder was just that thing. All the chicks get along now. Male brooder and feeders and waters. They all get along now. Everything's good. But yeah, tell me on that duckweed. I'd really like to know for sure if that's duckweed. I think it is, but I'm not 100% sure. I might just order some online. That's about it. Alright, see you guys some other time.